In this video, we will show you how to create your first glossary entry. Log in to Redokun and go to Document List, then click Glossary. Click Create Glossary. First, you will need to create a glossary language pair. Select the source language and the target language, then click Create Glossary. Now you have your English to Japanese glossary. Now you can start adding your glossary entries. First, click Create Single Entry. All you need to do is to enter the source content and the translated content. You can add notes for your translators, so they can check the instructions related to this entry. You can add up to 250 characters in your notes. Click Create Entry, and you will see that your first entry is created. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Contact us by email at support@redokun.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.